Check this out. The garden looks a wee bit different from down here, huh?
So different. It's amazing.
Whoop, whoop.
I've seen fields of grass, but never this tall. A molehill is a mountain when you're this small. Everything looks different when you change your point of view. The flower bed's a forest, the garden is a zoo, and that falling rain is only drops of dew. In this small new world, there's so much more to see in this small new world. I'm buzzing like a bee, it's a small new world, and all of it is beautiful to me. Who wants to grow up and be really big? When it's more fun to pole vault using a twig. I can ride a robin to a party in its nest, or join a band of squirrels on a wild acorn quest. My little friends are sure to be impressed. In this small new world, there's so much more to see in this small new world. I'm buzzing like a bee, it's a small new world, and all of it is beautiful to me. There's no place that I would rather be. This small new world is big enough for me.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.